125 Volkswagen made a name in the hot hatch segment with the venerable GTI, which served as the halo model in its best-selling Golf lineup. The German company solidified its position as a premier hot hatch maker when it introduced the R32, included in the lineup of the 4th generation Golf. The R32 took high performance way beyond that of the GTI. In 2009, Volkswagen introduced a much improved successor to the R32 when the Golf R made its debut. The Volkswagen R32 had been powered by a 3.2-liter V6 engine, but the new Golf R came equipped with a 2.0-liter inline-4C engine, downsized to match the times that called for better fuel efficiency. Nonetheless, this smaller displacement 4-cylinder was a brute, posting maximum power output of 252 bhp at 6,000 revolutions per minute and 243.7 lb-ft of torque from 2400, 5200 rpm, which was 6 bhp and 8.0 lb-ft greater, respectively, than the previous R32 model. Fuel economy had also been improved by 20% at 29.2 miles per gallon, thanks partly to the addition of a 6-speed DSG transmission. And Volkswagen's 4Motion system made this R32 the first all-wheel drive Golf in history. New additions to the Golf R included upgraded suspension and brakes, an enlarged underskirt for the exterior and a lower ride height by 0.6 inches. As the best performing Volkswagen Golf model, the Golf R rewards the enthusiast driver with a higher level of performance and fun while meeting today's eco-conscious expectations.